Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Evita Selviana, class 8 to 19, NPM 76. I will answer question number 7 and 8. Number 7. Good morning, students. How are your life? I hope you are a great today. And now I'm so pleased to meet you. Students, do you know Kingdom considered in East Java? Good. Now, can you mention the names of the kings who ruled the Majapahit Kingdom? Great, you're right. Raden Wijaya, Jayanegara, Tribhuwana Tunggadewi, and Hayam Wuruk are kings who ruled the Majapahit Kingdom. But do you know that the Majapahit Kingdom has a history? Not yet? Okay, don't worry, because I'd like to tell you about the Majapahit Kingdom. Here we go. Majapahit is a kingdom centered in Java, which was found around 1293 to 1500. This kingdom reached its peak of glory as a great empire that controlled a larger area in the archipelago during in reigns of Hayam Wuruk, who ruled from 1350 to 1399. The Majapahit Empire was the last Hindu-Buddhist kingdom to rule the archipelago and is considered to be one of the largest countries in Indonesian history. Its power lies in Java, Sumatra, the Malay Peninsula, Kalimantan, and eastern Indonesia. Although its territory is still disputed geographical, the location of the Majapahit Kingdom is very strategic because of its wide basin, namely the Branch and Bengawan Solo rivers, and whereas its nearby tributaries upstream. The name of the king who ruled the Majapahit Kingdom were as follows. 1. Raden Wijaya, 1293 to 1399, 1399 to Jayanegara, 100 1328 Tribhuwana Tunggadewi, 1328 to 1350. Hayam Wuruk, 1350 to 1289. Relates to the release of Majapahit. There are many releases which we can now include Penataran Temple, Blitar, the Book of Nagara Kertagama written by Mpu Prapanca, the Sutasoma book written by Mpu Tantular, the Book of Revenge which tell Kings of Singasari and Majapahit, the Book of Sundayana which tells the event of Bubat War and Age. Okay students, that's all about Majapahit Kingdom. We shall have to study the history of the kingdom in Indonesia, which leads so that future generation can find of out about it. Do you agree with me? Great. Okay, student, I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivation. See you next time. Bye. Number 8. Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you're great today, and now I'm so pleased to meet you. Students, do you know about factors affecting social diversity of Indonesia? Good. Now, can you mention diversity in Indonesia? Great, you're right. There is much diversity in Indonesia, such as the diversity of tribe, language, religions, and cultures. Are the diversity in Indonesia? Now, I'd like to tell you about factor affecting social diversity of Indonesia. Here we go. Factor affecting Indonesian social diversity. There is a lot of diversity in Indonesia, such as diversity of ethnicities, language, religions, and cultures. Some of those factors are as follows. 1. Indonesian strategic position. A. Strategic by geography. Located between two continents, namely the continent of Asia and a continent of Australia. Is located between two oceans, namely the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. B. Strategic according to astronomical map. Located between 6 degrees north latitude and 11 degrees south latitude. Located between 95 degrees east longitude and 141 degrees north longitude. C. Strategic according to the economy. As a bridge for shipping and trade between countries, a lot of marine resources, agriculture, product and mining materials consist of Islam and ethnic groups as the source of the nation wealth. 2. The condition of Indonesia as an archipelagic country. Indonesia is an archipelagic country consisting entirely of archipelago and includes large and small islands which constitute a single territorial, political, economic, social, cultural, and historical unit whose territorial boundaries are down from the archipelagic baselines. Indonesia is called the largest archipelago country because it has many islands, both large and small. According to data from the Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, the number of islands in Indonesia has reached 70,504 islands. The islands are located on both sides of the equator, and about 6,000 islands are inhabited by humans. 3. Difference in natural condition. The spirit of Indonesia's diversity is influenced by difference in natural conditions in Indonesia. 1. The physical condition of Indonesian territory. The geological condition of the Indonesia territory, which is located at the confluence of the three large tectonic plates of her Earth, namely the Indo-Australian plate. The condition of the surface of the Indonesian territory, which consists of islands, so that the Indonesian territory has different forms of the surface of the earth, such as highlands, lowlands, hills, valley, mountains, bays, peninsulas, beaches, etc. The difference in climate in Indonesia is influenced by the geographical shape of Indonesia, which is crossed by the equator, so that Indonesia has a tropical climate with temperatures around 27 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Distributions of flora and fauna. In the territory of Indonesia, the distribution of flora and fauna in Indonesia is one of the largest biodiversity in the world. This distribution is influenced by the climatic and social condition of the Indonesian territory, so that it affects temperature and rainfall in Indonesia. Okay, student, that's all of factor Indonesia. Some of the factor diversity in Indonesia are as follows: strategic position of Indonesia, Indonesian condition as an island country, and the difference of natural condition. Student, I think that's all we're talking about today. Thanks for listening to me. See you at another time. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.